Apple Notes is handy for lists and memos, but deleting many notes is slow and tedious. Here's how to quickly delete all notes on your iPhone. Part 1. How to delete notes on iPhone directly. Option 1. Delete a single note on iPhone. In Notes, swipe left on a note and tap the trash icon, or open a note and tap the trash icon to delete. Option 2. Delete multiple notes on iPhone. Open the Notes app and tap Edit in the top right corner. Select the notes by tapping the circles next to them, then hit the Delete button on the bottom right corner. Part 2. How to delete notes on iPhone via iCloud. Open a web browser and go to the iCloud website. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Click on the Notes icon. Browse through your notes and select the ones you want to delete. Then, click the trash bin icon to remove them. Part 3. Permanently delete all notes on iPhone with one click. Deleting notes on your iPhone doesn't fully erase them, risking recovery with third-party tools. To permanently and safely erase notes, use Mobican Eraser for iOS. It can wipe notes, photos, messages, and more, with 3 erasure levels. Step 1. Install and launch the Eraser for iOS program and connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cable. Wait until the connected phone is recognized by the program and then you can tap on Erase button from the program interface. Step 2. The program provides you with 3 different security levels: low and medium and high. Just select an erasing level according to your own situation and then tap on OK to confirm your choice. Step 3. From the next screen, type in Delete in the blank box and then hit on Erase button to start erasing your iPhone data.